Hello everyone, I am Radhika. Today we are going to see how ChatGPT can help us in automotive industries. If you want to buy or sell your car, or your car is facing any issues, or even if you are in a car dealership, ChatGPT has got you covered. Also, if you want to learn more such cool advantages of ChatGPT and other AI, you can join our workshop from the link in the description below.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
Now, let's say you want to buy a car and you are confused between two brands or two models. In this case, you can ask ChatGPT for a clarity. It will give you a proper comparative analysis which will make your decision making process easier. For instance, I am asking ChatGPT that I am going to buy a car in December 2023. I am confused between Tata and Mahindra. Please suggest me a car by giving a proper comparative analysis. And guys, by mistake, I have written 2022 here. Please don't mind that. Can you see the results? It gave me a proper analysis where it compared both the brands on the basis of its design and aesthetics, fuel efficiency, future and technology, safety, etc. It even compared the after sales service of both the brands. This is the beauty of ChatGPT. We don't have to go to millions of sites for our research. We get all the answers at just one place. There is one more AI tool like ChatGPT, which is named Perplexity. You can also use that tool to do your researches. Guys, these tools are the living example of how AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs. Millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and what not. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour workshop. In this, we teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Now, let's see another case scenario. Let's say you are confused whether you should buy your car on lease or by making a full payment or on rent. I am asking the same question to ChatGPT. Let's say what its reply. I am telling it to suggest me by giving a comparative analysis. Can you see? It gave me a proper pros and cons list. Now let's check another cool scenario with ChatGPT. I am telling it that whenever I am riding my car, I can hear a continuous clunking noise from the back bonnet of my car. What could be the possible reasons? Whenever something like this happens, we get tensed and it's not possible for us to go to mechanic every time some minor inconvenience happens. So, ChatGPT to the rescue. It gave all the possible reasons because of which that noise could be coming. Now at least we have a rough idea that what has happened to our car. After analyzing a bit, we can also opt to go to mechanics now. Just like this, I am again asking ChatGPT one more question. My car is spitting black smoke from the exhaust pipe. What could be the possible reasons? You can also edit the prompt by asking how can I fix it. By using this, ChatGPT will give even better results. I hope that by this time you know that using ChatGPT is all about giving it the correct prompts. Now let's see how you can take the help of ChatGPT while selling your car. I am writing that I want to sell my car. Please give me various authentic platforms list in India where I can sell them. After I am done, it gave me the list of platforms. You can even ask ChatGPT to compare between two platforms if you are confused between them, give them ratings and ask for a comparative analysis. Now, let's see how we can take the help of Perplexity while selling our car. Perplexity is an AI tool which is similar to ChatGPT. It's just that it gives real time data along with the sources from where it's acquiring its knowledge. Here, I am telling Perplexity that I want to sell my Nissan Terreno, which I bought in January 2021. Please suggest me a price on which it could be sold today. After completing your sentence, click enter and here you get the results. To get better result, you have to enter multiple variants like mileage of the car, condition of the car, kilometers it have run and etc. Let's see one more magic. Let's say you are in a car dealership and this situation often comes that you show your brand to your customer but your customer always wants to look out for some another brands also after seeing your brand. Not only cars, but this scenario is for every single product in the world. For that, I am asking ChatGPT that I am in a car dealership job. My customer wants to look out for some another company's cars for option. How can I persuade them to buy a car that I am showing? Here you go. It gave all the possible approaches that we can acquire to sell our product. Just like this, you can also take help of ChatGPT in any scenario just by changing your prompts. If you are selling your car or even giving it on lease to someone, you can take the help. If you want to learn more about such effective AI tools, you can join our workshop from the link in the description below. If this video has helped you even a bit, please like and comment, share to someone who might need it, subscribe if you want to see more such interesting videos. See you in my next video.